Today we're going to take a look at how to fix missing emojis on Android. Now every phone is different and every phone has different emojis. Even if you're on an Android, every other brand has a different set of emojis that one has and the other does not. Now make sure that the phone that you're using has that particular emoji. If the emoji is available for other users and if it's not available for you, then what you can do is you can try to update your software so that all of the new emojis also get downloaded. For that, open up your settings and then head over to the software updater. Mine is inside About Phone and inside this option. Now your system will automatically check for any new updates, and if there is an update, make sure you tap on update and update the app. After you update the app, you should pretty much have that emoji. But if you still don't, now what you can do is you can download any external third-party application which lets you use all different kinds of emojis from iOS to Windows. You can quickly open up your Play Store and then search for Font 3. You simply tap on this application and install it for your device. Now after you do that, you can use different kinds of emojis which are available. For example, iOS, Samsung, LG and many other brands. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.